What's going on, everybody? It's March 12th. You already know. I got another unboxing today. Today is my father's birthday, so I got a surprise for him. Let's get to that. Alright guys, so this package right here, I've been holding it for 2 months. The reason why I've been holding it for 2 months is because I didn't want my father to see it or anything. So I decided to keep it on the box in a safe place right here. Bam. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna open this box today after 2 months. Let's get to that. So most of the time I buy sneakers because of the fresh colorway, but with certain sneakers there's a story behind it. The story behind these I think is pretty awesome, so I had to get them. I didn't get them for myself for one reason, which I'll tell you in a few. Let's unbox these bad boys. Boy got a pair of Air Forces. Obviously not for me. Mind you, this is the first time I'm seeing them in person. So it's time to see them. Yo. These are so fresh, especially for the summertime. So here's another classic pair of Air Forces. It's not just a regular Air Forces. Like I told you, there's a story behind it. So these are the CR7s. If you don't know who CR7 is, that's Cristiano Ronaldo from Real Madrid. We all know him as, you know, the second best, quote unquote. I'm a Messi fan, you already know. But I'm going to give you a closer look on these and tell you a little quick story behind these. The story behind these is that Cristiano Ronaldo's mom had bought him 2 pairs of sneakers, one for casual wear to go to school and whatnot, the other one obviously to play soccer. Now the problem was Ronaldo, he will wear them so much and he will beat them up so much, he will constantly get holes in the sneakers. So his mom would grab them and actually stitch them up. That's why you see all these different stitchings on the Nike check on both sides, on both pairs. And Cristiano Ronaldo's mom constantly used to stitch his sneakers as soon as, you know, he would get a new hole. And I found that dope. That's supposed to be Cristiano Ronaldo's signature, and it's stitched up, so meaning that's not gonna fade away. I find that really dope. So to make a pair of Air Forces so clean as a casual sneaker and then actually add the Nike check to represent those beat up soccer sneakers he had, it's amazing. The reason why Nike chose gold on these is because of all the championships he has won in the past few years. Alright guys, so that's about it. It's a fresh clean pair of Air Forces. It's just the story behind it, which is pretty dope. If you are Cristiano Ronaldo fans and you're a sneakerhead, I highly recommend these. These are so dope. I didn't get a pair for myself, you know. I decided to get it for my pops because it's his birthday today, like I did mention early in the video. I'm gonna give these today to him. He doesn't know I got them for him. I forgot to get him a birthday bag, but I was like, there's no point if I'm gonna give it to him right away. So I'm gonna use this Flat Club bag, which is about to come in clutch. And let's get his reaction. By the way guys, I want to do a mini prank. He hates Barcelona, so I'm going to put my jersey inside the box and see what's his reaction. I guarantee you, if he doesn't throw it away, if he doesn't drop the box or something, then I'm wrong. But 100% he's going to be like, what the hell is this? He hates Barcelona. I don't know why, but I think it matches too. Alright guys, I put the Barcelona jersey inside. I know, pretty sure he's not going to like it, but let's see his reaction. This is going to be funny. Alright guys, so my mom is helping me record. Say hi.
Hi.
So right now I'm going to go check what he's doing. I'm going to Papi. Vení. What's up, Pops? Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, Papi. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I got your Barcelona jersey. How you gonna do that? Disrespect my jersey like that?
Ah, beautiful. Thank you, Papi.
Like them?
I like it. Thank you.
You know whose sneakers are those?
Oh.
Take the other one out. Look at the back.
Ah, oh man. Beautiful. Thank you.
You like them? Cristiano Ronaldo sneakers.
Ah, thank you, Nacho.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Pops. Jose.
Happy birthday to you.
Gracias, gracias.
Supply.
Thank you.
You know me? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video and whatnot. I think I came in clutch with those sneakers. My father loved them. Well, so yeah, that ends my video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And you already know, Escobar Junior season all year long.